In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag elements in Revit using tag by category and tag all. Tagging is what turns a model into a clear set of instructions for the field, so let's walk through the simplest, most reliable way to add tags to your views. We'll begin by opening the view where the element is visible. This could be a floor plan, an elevation, a section, or even a detail view. The key is that the element you want to label must actually be visible in that view. If you don't see it, double check that you're in the correct view type and that your visibility settings allow that element to show. Once you're in the right place, zoom in enough to place tags accurately without crowding. Next, activate the tag tool, go to the annotate tab, then look for the tag panel and choose tag by category. This option will let you tag individual elements interactively. If you're working on a large area and want to speed things up, you can also use tag all to automatically tag multiple elements at once. That's great for consistent documentation across a floor or an elevation, but be prepared to review the results so your sheet stays clean and legible. Now place the tag, hover over the element you want to tag until Revit highlights it, then click to place the tag. Revit will automatically pull the relevant data from the element's properties, things like type, mark, or dimensions, depending on what the tag is designed to display. What you see in the tag is driven by the element's data, so accurate properties mean accurate tags. After the tag is placed, take a moment to adjust it for clarity, drag the leader line to a clean spot and move the tag if it's overlapping other annotations. Keep leader lines tidy and avoid crossing other graphics when possible. Clear placement goes a long way toward making your drawings easy to read. Finally, use the properties palette to change the tag type if needed. Choose the appropriate tag family type for what you're labeling, such as a door tag, a window tag, or a material tag. Picking the right tag type ensures you're pulling the correct fields and presenting information in a way that matches your documentation standards. And that's it. Open the right view, activate the tag tool, place the tag, adjust it for clarity, and switch to the correct tag type. Follow these steps, and your drawings will be precise, readable, and ready for coordination and delivery.